cute babies, look at them. Julie had 3 girls and 1 boy. Gonna introduce them one by one. Number 1 is a little chocolate girl. Oh, she's nursing. And her name is Journey. She's a little tiny chocolate girl. They're gonna be toy and teacup sizes. Gonna have to give her back to Mommy. Number 2 is Yellow Band. And her name is Jamaica. Take her nipple off. Oh, you get the nipple right back. Little Jamaica. She might be spoken for. We don't know their true sizes until they are 6 weeks old. Tiny little girl. Go back to the nipple. It finds it right back again. And then we have Orange. Her name is Jujubee. Or how do you pronounce that? Jujubee. It's a red fish. I might keep her. She is one side white. Look how tiny. Yes, Mommy. Look at this tiny baby. Oh, so sweet. The last one is the boy. And he's nursing seriously. His name is Jordan. Ooh. Little Jordan. Little boy. We don't know what size he's gonna be yet. But he's super. Look at him. Oh, he's hungry. He's hungry. Found his nipple right back again. Happy family.